Today you've selected the Striplox multi-purpose connector. Let's take a look at what's inside the pack. 4 male components, 4 female components, and 2 positioning jigs. On this product there is a locking tab. If you leave the locking tab in place, it will become a permanent fix. By removing the locking tab, you'll be able to dismantle your project. Underneath the locking tab, lift it up and remove it. The only screw suitable for the Striplox product is a size 8 countersunk flathead screw.